On a quiet morning, every satellite on Earth picked up the same signal. A pulse, repeating every 6 seconds. At first, scientists thought it was interference, a glitch in the system. But the pattern was too precise, too clean. It felt intentional. As data poured in from observatories around the globe, from the vast dishes in Atacama to the orbiting telescopes high above, a chilling realization dawned. This wasn't noise. It was a message. The world's best minds, cryptographers, linguists, and astrophysicists, worked around the clock. The signal was a complex tapestry of frequencies and amplitudes, a language unlike anything humanity had ever encountered. For weeks, they struggled, searching for a key, a Rosetta Stone, to unlock its meaning. They tried every known mathematical constant, every physical law. Nothing worked. It was a lock without a keyhole. Then, a breakthrough. A junior analyst, working on a hunch, noticed a subtle fluctuation in the signal's polarization that corresponded with the hydrogen line, the most common element in the universe. It was the key, and when they applied it, the message unfurled. The translation came through. The signal contained coordinates. A single point on the globe, pinpointed with impossible accuracy, a location in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, thousands of miles from any landmass. Geologists and oceanographers were consulted. They confirmed what the maps already showed. There was nothing there. No islands, no undersea mountains, not even a recorded shipwreck. It was one of the most desolate, empty stretches of water on the entire planet. Why there? What could possibly be at a location where, for all of human history, absolutely nothing existed? The tension was palpable in every control room across the world. An international consortium was formed in secret. A mission was planned. They had to see what was there. Exploration teams sent a state-of-the-art long-range drone. It flew for hours over the endless blue expanse of the Pacific. As it approached the coordinates, its sensors began to go wild. Magnetic fields fluctuated violently, and radio transmissions were drowned in static. The pilot, thousands of miles away, fought to keep it stable. Then, through the camera feed, they saw it. Something impossible, hovering just above the churning waves, defying gravity and all known laws of physics, was a floating sphere of pure, shimmering light. It pulsed in perfect sync with the signal they had received, and projected from its core onto the very air around it was a countdown. The numbers ticked down with relentless precision. The countdown ends in just 49 days. At first, the global consensus was fear. Was it a weapon? A doomsday clock for our planet? But as the signal continued, more data packets were decoded. The message wasn't just the coordinates and the timer. It was updating, evolving. More complex information began to stream in. Star charts of unknown galaxies, complex biological data, and fragments of what looked like historical records. And with this new information came a shift in understanding. We now know it's not a threat, it's a warning. A warning about something else. Something coming. What happens when that countdown reaches zero? Why was this sphere sent to us, to this specific, empty point on our world? What is it warning us about? And the most important question of all, who sent it? The investigation is just beginning, and will be following every new discovery, every decoded message. The story continues.